you today. We're gonna do high intensity interval training. We're gonna do 30 seconds on the bike, then we're gonna get off and do 10, 10, and 10 of jump squats. Then we're gonna do running man / ski jumps. We're still up in the air on what they're called. And then we're gonna do 10 push-ups. You're gonna take a 30-second break and you're gonna get back on. So you could do 4 to 5 sets, how many rounds you could do, and we're gonna get started. So 30 seconds all out on the bike, either sitting or standing. You're gonna slow it down so you don't hurt your feetsies or just get out. Then you got 10 jump squats. Ten running man / ski jumps. Ten push-ups. Then you have a 30-second break, and then you're gonna do it all over again, 4 to 5 rounds, as many as you can, going all out, taking that 30-second rest when needed, and then if you want a little extra boost, time yourself. See how fast you can do however many reps you want. So then next time you do it, you can see you can get a little bit faster. Whew. And this bike is still going. Super awkward and weird. But like, subscribe if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Also, do you think that those are running mans or do you think that they're ski jumps? Because me and my cameraman are at odds about it and I wanna know what you guys think. So put in the comments below, ski jumps or running man.